Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to remove and replace the front Ford emblem. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Okay, now this is actually quite easy to do. To start, you want to lift the front hood, and front emblem will be held just by two metal fasteners, one here and one on the other side. So you will need a ratchet with a 10mm socket. And the other one. Okay, once you have these two fasteners nuts off, there is nothing else holding this emblem actually, and all you have to do, you have to pop it out. Now there is one thing which you still have to kind of be careful. When you are pulling it off, you don't want to break these pins here, because they are plastic and they like to crack. So you want to do it definitely gently by pushing out from this side and by prying it out underneath the emblem right here. Now in some cases I've seen there still could be a bit of double-sided tape under this emblem, but not always. I'm not sure why, but some Fords will have it and some will not. Okay, so just like I said, you want to gently pry it all around until you get those pins out. Like I said, don't force it, so don't break the pins. Now in case you have some double-sided tape under that emblem, what you want to do, you want to use like a scalpel, the knife, and just cut through that double-sided tape. And that's pretty much everything. So just have to pop it out at this point. Okay, one more tip. What you can also do, you can gently pry it from the other side as well. You see, you can just pull out this plastic holder a bit and then try to wiggle it out on each side. So that's just, you just have to play with it a bit from both sides to get it out without breaking these pins. If this is damaged bad front emblem, then just break these black screws and get it off. If you're planning to reuse this emblem, then be careful. Okay, and this is how you can remove the front Ford emblem on a Ford F-150. Once you have a new one, you just pop it in the same way and install those two fasteners, and if you want, you can put some double-sided tape for extra support. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.